What's going on? This is Kareem from djbooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a real quick video review of the Ultrasone DXP Signature Professional DJ Headphones. But before we begin, I'm just going to let you guys know that I have another channel that I'm about to start up. It's just a personal channel. It has nothing to do with DJ equipment or audio equipment. It's more just a channel for my other hobbies and the things that I kind of do on a daily basis. So if you guys want some more content and you want to know more about yours truly, you can subscribe to the channel. It's going to be called Kareem the Dream, and that link is going to be at the top of this video description. So we don't have any content yet for it, but we're going to have a lot of content coming up soon for you guys. So make sure you guys check that out. So to continue on with this review, it's the Ultrasone Signature DXP Professional DJ Headphones. Ultrasone is a very, very popular and a highly sought after brand name when it comes to professional monitoring. That means you're going to get a really high quality product, and they have been making DJ headphones for some time now. They also made the Ultrasone DJ1 Pro headphones that we ended up reviewing about 9 years ago here on this channel. So make sure you guys go check that out. And you saw back then that they had a really good sound signature, really nice sound all around, and it wasn't too crazy, too boomy of bass and too much to make you like lose your head in the middle of your performance. It was just nice and subdued, really calm and relaxed, but really nice, crisp and clear sound. So in steps the new Signature DXP version. They have other signature style headphones that look very similar to these, but these have a sound signature that's perfect for DJ use. They have other ones that are monitoring headphones for other different signature styles, but this is the DXP DJ headphone that they sent us to review. So first off, my first shock about these headphones was obviously the sticker shock. If you guys go and try to find these at retail, you're going to pay $599, so that's $600 for these headphones. So during the course of this review, we're going to see if that's worth it and if you guys should make these the next set of your DJ cans. So first up, we'll go with the accessories that it comes bundled with. And right off the bat, it comes with a hard case here. Nice hard shell. It feels like a soft kind of leathery feel to it. Not sure if that's real leather, but it has a nice metal signature nameplate on there. Nice zippers to go all the way around, a double zipper enclosure. You can open it up and you have a spot for your headphones and also a spot for your cables that we're going to show you next. Nice interior of this is a nice smooth cloth finish. And of course, at this price point, I'm expecting nothing less than for it to come with a good hard case. Next, it comes with the straight cable. And this straight cable has one lead that plugs into the actual ear cup, and it's a locking cable, so you have to push it up and then twist it in order to lock, so that way it can't be yanked out in the middle of a performance. The other end is a 1/8 inch or a mini jack, so that way it can plug into most DJ equipment today with or without your adapter. It does not come with an adapter, by the way, but this is the short cable. I would say it's about 3.5 feet. And the other accessory, the last accessory it comes with, is a long coiled cable. This has a huge TRS lead on it, and the other side has your, again, twist lock cable, so that way it can't be yanked out in the middle of a performance. This is not an adapter, by the way. This is exactly how it looks because it's a professional style cable. It's nice and coiled here with some straight parts at both of the ends to make it easy for you to pull these in and push them back out again, of course. So let's head on to the actual headphones themselves. These are the S Logic Plus. That means they're going to give you some really clear high definition sound, but we'll go to the sound quality in a little bit later. Right now we'll just focus on the build quality. And honestly, the build quality of these headphones is pretty much a letdown to me because they're entirely made of plastic, with the exception of probably the headband, because the headband has a nice elastic material to it, so it's probably metal in there, allowing you to do many bends and flexes with it, twists. It'll never break or pop or anything like that. But unfortunately, since the rest of the mechanisms of all of the hinges and all of the parts that allow you to fold this are all plastic, eventually they're just going to wear down and they'll start cracking and breaking, especially because you have metal screws here that are attaching straight to different plastic parts. Over time, the opening and closing of the headphones will naturally cause these screws to start ripping apart from the actual plastic inside of there, and eventually these are going to kind of split apart. So at $600, I was expecting to see a lot more metal in the construction, but as it is, this is mostly all plastic, and I don't think that's a good choice here. because they cost so damn much. So anyway, they have a nice swivel cut design, so that way you can easily swivel these, you can easily fold these up. Too bad the actual case doesn't really take advantage of making these a lot smaller, so that way you could have had a smaller case. But as you can see, you can easily fold them up into each other. You can do the one ear, one off, any way you would like. So it has a lot of versatility for different DJs, depending on how they like to use this headphones. They also have that one port here, so the one ear cup here on the left allows you to actually twist the twist lock cables inside, and it makes it so no one can easily yank them out again during a performance. Next up is the ear cups. The ear cups are nice and round, very, very soft material here, really nice on the head. They actually go all the way around the ear, giving you good isolation and really good active noise canceling. So it's no passive powered noise canceling, but I can barely hear myself talking right now when I have these covering my ears. So they fit all the way around the ears and they feel really nice. Also, the headband has a lot of padding, nice generous padding here for the headband, so it's going to really help with fatigue and head fatigue, and they feel really comfortable when they're on your head. So even though that they're plastic, maybe that was done for more comfort, but we'll have to see how they hold up in the long run. Next, of course, is the sound quality. So the sound quality of the signature DXP DJ headphones is very, very good. That's probably what you're paying your premium for here. They have S-Logic Pro properties inside of them, so they sound very, very good. Clear, crisp separation of the lows, the mids, and the highs. The bottom end does not really rumble too crazy. So if you guys want something that has a little bit more bass in it, then you might want to look elsewhere. This has a more controlled style of rumble to the bass, so that way you don't get ear fatigue over long periods of use. But the sound quality is very, very good. They sound very crisp. It really kind of immerses you in the sound, make you feel like you're in like a 3D style of environment while you're listening to your source material. Really nice sound quality here with the DXP signature headphones. So in conclusion, the Ultrasone signature DXP headphones have really, really excellent sound. They have a high resolution 3D style of sound, and they sound really good and won't fatigue you over time. They also have really comfortable headband padding and ear cup padding. They're very lightweight as well, so that all adds to the comfort, especially when you're using these during your gig and your gig is long time. So these will make it so it doesn't feel so harsh on you after those extended periods of time. They also have great isolation and passive noise canceling because they have nice, fluffy, over-the-ear ear cups that create a nice seal, so that way you're not getting in any of that unwanted sound from your environment while you're DJing. They also come bundled with multiple cables that have the twist lock end, and they come with the nice hard case, so that way you can protect your investment. On the downside is the investment in the first place. They're just too expensive at $600, so it's really hard for me to recommend these at that price point. If they were down at about $250 to $300, it would be an easier pill to swallow, but at the $600 price point, it's a little bit more difficult there. Also on the downside, these things are made of almost entirely of plastic, except for the screws and possibly the headband. But other than that, it's a lot of plastic in the design, and I just don't think that they're going to hold up over time, especially at that $600 price point. So for more on reviews like this, you guys can head on over to www.djbooth.net/DJS, or you guys can click on the link in this description, so that way you can see other videos that are out there on the web from yours truly and from djbooth.net of all of our reviews all over the years. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.